Experiencing HDMI problems with your ThinkPad docking station? Let's troubleshoot. First, confirm your monitor is on the correct input and test the HDMI port with another device to rule out dock failure. Inspect your HDMI cable for damage like bent pins and ensure it's a certified high-speed cable for 4K at 60 Hz. Many issues stem from faulty connections. Use the process of elimination to ensure your monitor and cable are working correctly. If you are still experiencing issues, move on to the next steps. If display and cables are working, focus on software. Start by updating your Lenovo System Update tool, Intel graphics drivers, and Windows display drivers to ensure compatibility. Next, in Device Manager, try disabling and then re-enabling the HDMI device under Display Adapters to refresh the connection. Run the Windows Hardware Troubleshooter in Settings to automatically detect and fix HDMI-related issues. For Linux users, ensure you're using the correct kernel modules like i9 for Intel GPUs to handle display output properly. Reset the dock by unplugging it for 30 seconds, or use Lenovo Vantage Diagnostics to clear any connection issues. As a last resort, check BIOS settings for discrete graphics mode if your ThinkPad has an NVIDIA GPU to ensure proper HDMI output. If problems continue after these steps, it may indicate hardware failure. Consider a warranty replacement. Remember, Lenovo Vantage integrates AI diagnostics that automatically detect and fix common HDMI errors.